Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look at the types of capsules in microorganisms. Microorganisms. So to begin with, first is the polysaccharide capsules. So this involves the Streptococcus pneumoniae, the Klebsiella pneumoniae, as well as the Haemophilus influenza. Next is the Neisseria meningitis, the Salmonella typhi. Then comes the Cryptococcus neoformans, the Bordetella pertussis, the Clostridium perfringens. Next is the hyaluronic acid capsule. So under this comes the Streptococcus pyogenes. Then the polypeptide capsule, it is the Bacillus anthracis. Then the F1 protein capsule is nothing but the Yersinia pestis. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.